So I like this tool right here. It's got good pressure, but not too much pressure that you're bending pins on this condenser here, unless you hit it. But I don't like the angle though, because it felt like I was spraying more down the coil at the lower part than spraying out the coil. So I needed to bend it somehow, and I remembered I got the pipe bender, so that did a pretty good job. I think it works pretty good this way. Don't have to bend over as much, so I bend over a little bit. Definitely think it's a good tool.